let's get into the details of how exactly you swaddle a baby. Teach me.
Okay, I'm gonna show you 3 different ways to swaddle a baby.
Okay.
And it does take some practice. So
All right.
Here we go. So this is the most traditional way. So you're gonna put the blanket at a diagonal, and then you're gonna take this top end and fold it down.
I have a heavy doll over here, so.
All right.
All right.
And then the shoulders you want the head up above the blanket and the shoulders at the edge. All right, very good. Then you're gonna hold the arm down. You're gonna take this one over here, across the way, and tuck it behind the baby's back as snug as you can. And then you're gonna take this bottom part up, and I sort of have a long one here, and you're gonna tuck it behind that upper shoulder, that right shoulder. Very good.
Wow.
You got it,
Okay.
Bianca. Then you're gonna take this one across, and you're gonna do that snugly as well.
So you want it tight. How do you know if it's too tight?
It's hard to get it too tight.
Okay.
I think you'll be all right.
Okay.
The main thing is you want the arms there. It's a good idea to have the legs to where they can bend, and
Okay.
you've got that good there. And so this is a good one.
And this helps for the baby not to, touch its eyes or scratch itself. The Moro reflex I read about.
I was just
falling.
gonna say, so this feels snug and secure, like being in the womb. So that's good. It does prevent them waking themselves up from the startle reflex. So this is really good. It helps with sleep. And
And then let's show, how would you hold it in the swaddle?
so you can hold like this. If you're doing the 5 S's, you can hold on the side, just like that. Some babies kind of like it on their tummy. And so you're gonna do that and try to give them a little, there you go. He's kind of weighted
Got a little heavy head.
He's weighted a little
Yes.
bit on the head, but just like that.
Okay.
But most typically you're gonna hold him like that.
When they're in their bed on their safe sleep surface, you could just lay them on their back
Yep.
like this in their swaddle.
Yep. All right, let's do the next one.
So this would just be a typical blanket, just a square blanket, right?
Yeah, you want it large. 40 by 46 is a good size to look for.
Okay.
If the receiving blankets are too small for swaddling, this is what they call the muslin, and it works good.
This material?
Yeah.
I've heard the muslin, okay.
Yeah. So this one, we're gonna go long ways.
So not on a diagonal. Now we put it in a square. Perfect square.
This one's a little easier to master, and I find the babies don't wiggle out of this one as much. And we're gonna, again, put their shoulders up here.
Okay.
And the principle is very similar. You're gonna pull it over, both arms on this one, and tuck it behind his back. And then you're gonna fold this one over.
So corner 1, corner 2.
And you're doing a good job. You don't want it to come up where it might choke the baby, so
Right.
you've got it down a little bit. That's perfect. Then you're just gonna take the tail, and you're just gonna bring it up here. And the key really is to get it behind his back as snug as you can. Our babies are a little bit small for the blankets.
Now, to me, this looks very claustrophobic.
They like. You think of when they were inside you.
Yeah.
They were very claustrophobic,
Okay.
and their whole time they were, their knees flexed, their arms flexed. They were kind of bent over. This feels good to them. This feels really good and secure.
All right, that's what we want.
All right, and then thirdly,
There actually are some blankets made specifically to swaddle.
yes, and
Call this a swaddler, maybe?
yeah, swaddler, and they make them for different times of the year, different weights, but they're really handy. And I want to say most parents do like these because if they can't get the hang of swaddling,
Takes
it's
the
a good way to
guesswork
go.
out of it.
Yeah. So you're just gonna lay your baby in there again with the shoulders at the edge of the blanket. She's a little small for this one. They do, if you have a smaller baby, they do have preemies, preemie sizes, so they're sized for your baby. So you're just gonna stick them in, and then this one's so easy. You just roll it over, and then you roll it over this way, And what's nice about this is you want their legs to be loose.
Sure.
And it is. And again, they're nice and snug there.
Do you have to tuck this at all?
Nope.
Oh,
You can just stay like that.
Oh, that is very easy.
Yeah, much easier than this.
Yes.
But these are nice too. And this is great for like when you're laying them down. It's just personal preference.
Right.
So whatever works for you.
Good to know. Thank you.
You're welcome.